Hey, what you doing?
Taking a shower in the rain.
With the rain gutter?
Save some water.
Well, all right then. I'm getting shampoo on the clothes.
Multitasking.
Multitasking. I will leave you to it.
I invite our neighbors to shower.
No showering with neighbors, baby. Let's go out the other door. Got another one. So there's a dry path right here. Oh wow. There's our low spots right there. Exactly. That tells me exactly what I need to know. Is that what you mean by island life?
Yes.
Yeah. But the rain does make some pretty flowers. Look at that. No, no. I'm just gonna stay dry under my porch. I'm happy here. Yes, we bought a washing machine and we're putting it on a trike.
Ta-da!
Hey.
Hey baby, what is going on in here? Oh, by the way, this is the washing machine.
In here is a brand spanking new, sharp, low pressure washing machine, low water pressure. So I bought this hose, this PVC pipe, and this assortment of plumbing stuff, so that I can splice into this to add water to this. The washing machine can go right here, and this makes it level.
That's your level right there?
My temporary level. We're gonna have to build a platform or something right here, but that's fine. The only thing I have to cut into this PVC pipe is a handsaw. Like that. Oh, and this morning I hung this up because we cannot have the washing machine in direct sunlight. But before I cut into here, I'm gonna do a little prefab. And this is gonna be one monstrosity. I mean, we had to just rig this up out of whatever we could find at the hardware store. But it should work.
It should?
It should. It works on paper. Now this adapter will allow this hose to attach to this pipe, like.
What is that?
That's not gonna work.
There's something underneath. Is that a rubber?
Yeah. You remember how we had the bigger pipe?
Yeah.
We forgot to downsize this one.
No, it looks like it's...
Because this inner piece is the exact same size as that.
So you need a bigger one.
I need a smaller one. Wait, I might have a solution. Huh? It's bigger. That might work.
Oh, there's only one way to go.
I think that's gonna work. Okay, we're safe. That was close. What I don't know is how long this needs to be.
Can you figure it out?
I just had to guess. I'm guessing about 1 foot. Then you put this is threaded, so you put a threaded piece on there. Which this will accept this size pipe, like right here. So this is about how long it's gonna be. And then this will be right here. So we're gonna take a piece of this off the other end, put in here, like a short piece, and just have this on here like that.
I think it's in the box.
I got my connection all built. It's gonna fit in here like this. It's gonna fit in right here. There's my valve, and it goes to the hose. And then the other end of the hose would go to the machine. So now I get to cut the pipe. All right, got one side glued on. And now I realize I need to cut off about 1 inch of pipe. So that's gonna be fun doing it without messing that up. But cut off about right there. Okay. All right, and there it is. It's our low pressure washing machine. Shorten this hose, but this fits on right here. That'll fill this chamber for washing. And then to spin it, you move it over to here. We are almost ready to do the first test on the washing machine. So this is the plumbing setup. We're just topping it off right now. I'm gonna call that full. Go ahead and turn off the water. All right, babe, here we go. Put the lid on. Okay, so to turn this on, we're just gonna turn this. Oh, there it goes. And we'll let that finish its cycle. Okay, we're going to transfer over to the, what they call the dry side, but really just a thin.
Wait, can we put one more or?
Yeah.
Sticks.
Put this in here.
Where'd it go?
Close that. that thing spin.
Oh.
So this is smaller than this, so you have to do like 3 spin loads to 1 wash load, I noticed. So the water's off. And now the water's on.
To rinse.
And that's your rinse. Nice. Okay, it's all done. Pull this out. And it's ready to hang. Just put it right here for now. Oh, that's not good. This is our clothes drying section. All the way over to here if we need to. If it rains, we'll hang it under here, but that's more limited. Whoop, that's it.
Laundry is done.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, God loves you.